Hey guys, welcome back to the Content channel. Today we'll be talking about one very exciting feature, but this is not something new. This has been here for I think 12 or 15 years. Okay, so this is called the Airdrop. So all you need to do is you click on Finder or any of the folder, and then there's this Airdrop button. So this is method number one. So what this does is you can send files and stuff across to other Apple products like your iPad or your iPhone and stuff like that. So all you need to do is click and drag to the device that is available, and then you have to make sure that that device is turned on. That is how easy it is. Just drag and then it will be sent immediately. And then there's also method number two, which is you just right click on that file and then you click on share and then you click on airdrop, and then it will show up this menu, and then you just click on the iPad button or iPhone or iPad or whatever that is turned on, and then you're done. So we have come to the end of this video. If you like other videos on hidden features on a MacBook, please do hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell button for this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.